Imagine the joy on your child's face as their ride-on toy zooms faster than ever before. But how can you safely make this dream a reality? Before diving into modifications, it's crucial to understand the mechanics of ride-on toys. These toys are designed with young users in mind, meaning safety is a paramount consideration. Upgrading the battery is one of the most effective ways to boost speed. But remember, it's essential to balance increased power with compatibility and safety concerns. Choosing the right battery type is more than just increasing voltage. Lithium-ion batteries are often recommended due to their efficiency and longevity. However, a mismatch in voltage can lead to potential damage, especially to sensitive components like motors and gearboxes. Ensure the new battery voltage aligns with the ride-on toy's controller specifications to avoid any potential harm. The physical fit of the battery within the toy's compartment is also important. Select batteries specifically designed for ride-on toys. Ultimately, the goal is to match the right battery with the right motor, ensuring not only a speed gain, but also the longevity and safe operation of the ride-on car. Upgrading the motor can transform your child's ride-on toy, but ensuring compatibility is crucial. Check the specifications of your current motor. When selecting a new motor, consider its size, power output, and connections to ensure a seamless fit. Consult with a professional or the manufacturer if you're unsure about the compatibility, as an incompatible motor could damage the toy or pose a safety hazard. Switching to larger or rubber tires not only increases speed, but also improves traction, enhancing both stability and safety. When choosing new wheels, consider their compatibility with the toy's gearbox and the overall wheel torque they will need to manage. Avoid making drastic changes in wheel size, as this could affect the toy's balance and safety. Many ride-on toys come with built-in speed limiters for safety. If you feel it's safe and your child is ready for a faster ride, you can remove these limiters. Reducing weight boosts speed. Every extra kilogram on the ride-on toy can affect its speed. By removing non-essential parts, you can lighten the load. However, removing too much might compromise the toy's stability or safety. Balance is key. When modifying your child's ride-on toy to achieve faster speeds, it's important to balance the need for speed with the stability of the toy. Distribute weight evenly to avoid any imbalance, which could lead to accidents. Regularly check the toy for any loose parts or instability issues after making modifications. Safety should always come first. When making any modifications, the safety of your child should be your top priority. Always use appropriate safety gear and consider the age and ability of your child. Make changes that are within the safe operating limits of the toy. Assess your child's ability to steer, stop, and control the toy effectively before making any speed enhancements. Gradual adjustments are advisable. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring the modified toy remains safe and performs well. This includes checking and tightening any loose screws or components. Understanding the gear ratio in your child's ride-on toy can help you make informed decisions about gearbox swaps or adjustments. A higher gear ratio might increase speed, but it's important to balance this with the torque and stability of the toy. Simple aerodynamic modifications can improve the speed of your child's ride-on toy. Reducing wind resistance can result in minor speed increases. However, ensure these modifications do not affect the toy's balance or add unnecessary weight, as this could negate the speed gains. It's important to be aware of local laws and regulations regarding modified ride-on toys. Ensuring that your modifications are legal and ethical is just as important as the modifications themselves. When modifying a kid's ride-on car, consider how these changes might affect the manufacturer's warranty. Review the warranty terms and consult with the manufacturer if you're unsure. In conclusion, while there are several ways to make your child's ride-on toy faster, it's crucial to strike a balance between speed and safety. Always prioritize your child's safety and adhere to legal guidelines when making modifications. Enjoy the process of upgrading and the joy it brings to your little one's playtime. Loved our tips on making your kids' ride-on toy faster? Dive into more really awesome info at our website or chat with us live for all your toy questions.